Hello and welcome to our video on how to make money as a social media influencer. In this video, we will be discussing the ins and outs of influencer marketing and how you can monetize your social media presence. First, let's define what an influencer is. An influencer is someone who has a large following on social media and is able to influence the purchasing decisions of their followers.
If you are new to the channel and you would like educational videos that show you a step-by-step process of how to make money online, feel free to subscribe. Let's get this video to 100,000 likes. Your support means a lot and it will motivate us to create more valuable content for you. Don't forget to click on that bell notification icon to get notified whenever a new video comes out. Thank you, and keep your notebook and pen close to you because you don't want to miss any of these information.
Now, let's talk about the different ways you can make money as an influencer. Sponsored posts. Companies will often pay influencers to promote their products or services through sponsored posts on their social media channels. This can be a great way to make money, as long as the products or services you are promoting align with your personal brand and values. Affiliate marketing. Another way to make money as an influencer is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a company's products and receiving a commission for any sales that result from your promotion. Brand partnerships. Influencers can also make money through brand partnerships, where they work with a company to create content that promotes their products or services. Selling your own products. If you have a product or service of your own, you can use your social media following to promote and sell it. Offering services. Another way to make money as an influencer is by offering services, such as consulting or coaching, to your followers. Now that we've covered the different ways you can make money as an influencer, let's talk about how to get started. Identify your niche. The first step in becoming an influencer is to identify your niche. This is the specific area or topic that you will be focusing on in your content. It's important to choose a niche that you are passionate about and that you have knowledge or expertise in. Build your following. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to start building your following. This can be done through consistent, high-quality content and engagement with your followers. Collaborate with brands. Once you have a decent following, you can start reaching out to brands to see if they are interested in collaborating with you. Be sure to have a media kit ready that includes information about your following, engagement rate, and any past brand collaborations. Negotiate terms. When working with brands, it's important to negotiate terms that are fair and mutually beneficial. This includes things like payment, the type of content you will be creating, and any performance metrics that will be used to measure the success of the collaboration. Stay true to your values. Finally, it's important to stay true to your values and only work with brands that align with your personal beliefs and goals. This will help you build a strong and authentic personal brand, which is essential for long-term success as an influencer. And that's it. These are the steps you can follow to start making money as a social media influencer. Remember, it takes time and dedication to build a following, but with hard work and consistency, you can turn your passion into a profitable career. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or want to learn more about influencer marketing, be sure to leave a comment below.